Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can create a backup for cPanel, so let's get right into it. Now, you can create a full backup of cPanel, however, that is not going to allow you to fully regenerate from the backup. What you're going to need to do in that case is you're going to need to contact your web hosting provider, or you're just going to have to muck around with the server, which I personally don't know how to do. So if you're using a hosting service, that would be the best way to do this if you're renting servers from them. Now, to actually create a backup, you can click on download a full backup to create, download, or store a full backup file, and then the generate interface will appear. Now, as you can see, you cannot automatically restore. This function is only available in the web host manager, so you can use that to restore it. From there, if you can, and to automatically restore one, you're going to have to contact your hosting provider, as I've mentioned. And yeah, to manually restore your public HTML folder, you just need to uncompress the tar.gz file, and then go and retrieve the files in the home directories, public HTML folder, and then upload them to your public HTML folder with the file manager interface by just going to home files and file manager. And yeah, the backup process for an account near or over its quota may fail because the system cannot write necessary files, so keep in mind the data quota so that you can actually create a backup. Now, what you need to do to generate a backup, you need to select a storage setting from the backup destination menu. It can either be the home directory. If you want to select this, you should do so to save the backup file on the server itself. You can use a remote FTP server to create a backup on a remote server, and with passive mode transfer, pretty much the same if you want to use a passive FTP to store the backup. And you can also use secure copy to use the secure copy protocol to store the backup on a remote server as well. Then you need to select a notification setting. You can receive a notification when the backup finishes. You just need to enter your email address in the text box, and if you do not wish to get a notification, just select the do not send email notification button, and you should be good. After that, if you want to include integration links, select include integration links, which, as you can see, may include external account credentials. And if you select a remote FTP server, remote FTP server passive mode transfer, or the SCP protocol from the backup destination menu, you need to enter the remote destination information in the available text boxes, and then you just need to click generate backup, and that is pretty much all you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.